Early on, when I had to visit what I call a dangerous place, it was a blast furnace. We're walking down beside the slag runner, and I had to take some measurements for one of our first jobs there, and my feet are sliding. Thinking, what's going on? What's slippery on the floor? I'm looking down, it looks pretty gritty, and it's my boots are melting. Sparks flying, iron flying across the room. Crazy place.
So polycrystalline fiber is a 3,000 degree rated, 3,000 degree Fahrenheit rated material versus ceramic fiber, which is typically 2,300 degrees or 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also non-respirable, so it has a health element to it that people really appreciate. Polycrystalline is very capable of handling thermal shock in applications where hard refractory used to be used. And it's got a lot of benefits for many industries from steel to petrochemical.
So I was working with a customer in the steel industry, and they were using a standard refractory castable ladle lid. And for this particular application, extra weight of the ladle lid along with the steel ladle and the steel in the ladle was really pushing the limits of their crane capacity. So by decreasing the steel ladle lid weight, the customer is now able to tap more steel into their ladles because previously they were limited by their crane capacity. And now because the weight savings in the ladle lid, so they're saving an extra 10,000 pounds. So they can tap an extra 10,000 pounds of steel into the ladle, which amounts to real significant savings. Here's a standard module, and most modules you'll see are one material. What we've done with our combi modules is that we put the high quality material where it needs to be. And so what we do is we work with the customer, we look at the furnace lining, we work with our engineering department, we find out what the furnace operating temperature is, what the conditions are, whether there's any wind velocity, what have you, and we design a specific module for the customer for that furnace. And that gives us some really significant cost savings to the customer.
Hard refractory does not cycle temperature from low to high very well. We recently lined some of those sand dryers with polycrystalline and have saved them money. They can turn them off, they can turn them on, cycle through temperatures. They don't have any of the cracking problems that they used to have with hard refractory. We have a partnership and a team situation with all of our customers and our suppliers. We need their ideas, we need their advice, we need their input to create the right solution. We don't work for them, we work with them.